I like him. What happened now? Come on, Michelle. Hold on now. Oh.
Ndiyatandaza ndicela uzume nami kulamatafa ngiyacela usundike namandla becela usizo bantu bakithi andiyakhala amename ndiyatandaza ndicela uzume nami kulamatafa ngiyacela usundike namandla becela usizo bantu bakithi andiyakhala bamekesandla babuwa menami uwa wedwa baba ithemba lami lithi babe sabe babe sabe akandi kubanga amajolo baba nkala kuwe ndibambelela kuwe ithemba lami kuwe ndinebantukanise mqolo baba ndifuna ndiwe ndibambelela kuwe ngamunga kulekuvume lamlele baba lamlele ungake bamuvume basabona abanye thi baba ndeka wena nabo befuka bekusongela baba thathalela ngoba nguwe amen ndiyatandaza ndicela uzume nami kulamatafa ngiyacela usundike.
Yo, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. I last time sivi wenje bingunomjita banomjita oseqonce. Coachy. This is beautiful.
Ndicela uzume nami kulamatafa ngiyacela usundike namandla becela usizo bantu bakithi andiyakhala bamekesandla babuwa menami uwa wedwa baba ithemba lami lithi babe sabe babe sabe ingabufuna bawengobe kanye ntulumobe kanye ibhokhwe yophe kuzimpilo ibophe ndisinikele ndonke fike ekhaya ndokhe ngiyobiza nomokhwe ndikhuphele yonke xa sendiphula phake ndihamba namatita wena sinqumile mazikhali izipika bantwana bahlambile lo sisi ubaliwe andikhonga loo nto mna bawo ndinikeza ispika shumayela ilizwi lakho imihla ngemihla ndingqina ubawo ngubawo wemihla ngemihla sanda ukubopha imitya unciphisa uyandisa ngekho nopika nami indlela uyanibonisa ndiyatandaza
And that's a verse. Nansi verse. Lana kuthiwa bhala iverse uyifeaturishiwe. Mamela isihloko kuqala sengoma. Mamela isihloko. Listen to the topic kuqala. Uyabo? Ungavela ugibiseleke. Andiyazi into eniyenzayo nina apha phandle xa ninikwe inantsika iverse. Mamela isihloko sengoma. Uyandiva? Then ubhale from there. Okay, the subject is this, and stick to the subject. Ungathethi into yakho wena. Ungathethi into yakho secaleni andizubiza amagama, niyazazi. That verse was beautiful. That verse from opening umjita, the build up. Pro child, nah, bruh. The build up of the verse. Umjita uyayoka, he built it up. Uqalile wathi jonga bawo nako kwenzeka. That is beautiful.
abufuna bawengobe
That is beautiful. Akho ndifuna bendicacisa.
kanye ntulumobe
Yeah,
kanye ibhokhwe yophe
bawo ndenze ntoni at this point? Ufuna ndithini? Like ufuna ndithini? Ndigobe? Ndinqule kuwe? Ndicule? What must I do? Sing praise. That's basically what I'm saying. Should I ndinqule ndigobe kuwe? Yabo? Should I sing praises? Okanye should I sacrifice? Kanye ibhokhwe yophe. That is beautiful, bafethu.
kuzimpilo ibophe
Uyayiva?
Ndisinikele ndonke.
Okay. Yo, that is beautiful, Bafetu. That is beautiful. Delivery, lyrics, tone, topic, up to the subject. That is beautiful. Okay, if we're gonna talk about verse of the year, I know, but it says sing about closer like we have now. It's a structure say to okay by hip hop dance. This verse, this is the verse of the year. Basically, I'm done. This is the verse of the year, chat. That's it. The verse of the year. Or the other option. If you kind of okay. Then kanziba ndiyapopa, biza mahule. Yabo, ndikhuphe yonke. You get me? And start spending. So ndispend, spender, yabo. They spend, yabo. Kana line.
Yonke. Xa sengiphula phake ndihamba namathi.
Cha ingxaki yam ndingilo mntu so.
Wena singumile mazikhali izipika. Bantwana bahlambi. Lo sisi ubaliwe. Andikhonga lonto mna bawonikeza ispeaker. Shumayela ilizwi lakho imihla ngemihla. Ndingqina ubawo wemihla ngemihla. Salubopha imitya unciphisa uyandisa. Kekho nophika nami indlela uyanibonisa.
Best of the year.
Ngiyacela uzube nami kulamathafa. Ngiyacela usundike namandla. Becela usizo bantu bakithi ngiyakhala. Ngiyathandaza. Ngicela uzube nami kulamathafa. Ngiyacela usundike namandla. Becela usizo bantu bakithi ngiyakhala. Wame ngesandla babuwa nami. Uwa wedwa baba ithemba lami lithi babe.
That is beautiful. I'm wrong by pro.